Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Let's discuss the performance of recursion vs iteration in Java, along with code examples to illustrate the differences. Introduction to recursion and iteration. Recursion is a programming technique where a method calls itself to solve a problem. It breaks down a problem into smaller subproblems. Iteration, on the other hand, uses looping constructs, like for, while, etc., to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met. Performance considerations. 1. Memory usage. Recursion. Each recursive call adds a new layer to the call stack, which consumes memory. If the recursion depth is too high, it can lead to a stack overflow error. Iteration uses a single stack frame, so it generally consumes less memory than recursion. 2. Execution speed. Recursion can be slower due to the overhead of multiple function calls and returns. Iteration is usually faster because it avoids the overhead of multiple calls. 3. Readability and maintainability. Recursion can be more intuitive and easier to read for certain problems like tree traversals or factorial calculations. Iterative solutions may be more straightforward for simple problems. Example, factorial calculation. We'll implement the factorial calculation using both recursion and iteration. Recursive approach. Iterative approach. Performance testing. To compare the performance of these two methods, we can use the system.nanotime method to measure execution time. Summary. 1. Use recursion. When the problem naturally fits a recursive solution, like tree traversals. For problems where the depth of recursion is manageable. 2. Use iteration. When performance and memory usage are critical. For problems that can be solved simply with loops. Conclusion. Understanding the difference between recursion and iteration is crucial for writing efficient code. While recursion is elegant and easier to read for some problems, iteration often provides better performance and lower memory consumption. Choose the method that best fits the problem at hand, taking into consideration both readability and efficiency.